Using Zoom with Socrative is a great way to get real-time feedback and keep your virtual students engaged. First, you will need to create your Socrative set. Click Quizzes. Choose Add Quiz, then Create New. Use short answer questions for this set. Keep the question generic, as you will be asking your specific questions during the Zoom meeting. Create as many short answer items as needed. When you are done, click the Save and Exit button. Now you will launch this Socrative set by clicking Launch, then Quiz. Select the desired set from the list and click Next. Choose Teacher Paste, click Next. Open your Zoom meeting in a separate tab. You can either resize the windows so they fit side by side, or toggle back and forth between the two. Students will need to open two tabs, one for your Zoom meeting and one for the Socrative classroom. Now teach your lesson, asking formative assessment questions along the way. When students type their answers in Socrative, you will see the feedback immediately. The Socrative report for your session will also be available for future reference. Now you know how to keep your virtual students engaged by Zooming with Socrative.